Welcome to my video on another video on cybersecurity, going against malicious attackers. That's what I'm calling it. So let's get started. Basically, I'm just going to go over some terms. All right, so there's something called threat intelligence. And as you can see, it's the ongoing process to understand threats that may or may not attack the organization. And there are three types of threat intelligence that comes to mind, which is tactical, operational, and strategic. Tactical, it focuses on analyzing malware, the tactics, and the techniques. Operational is focused on understanding the threats and the infrastructure. Strategic is focused on understanding the trends and motives of the threats and their capabilities. All right. And the next one we're going to talk about is intrusion detection system versus intrusion prevention system. For short, I'm going to say IDS and IPS. And IDS basically detects the virus while the intrusion prevention system actually tries to prevent the virus. So basically it alerts. The intrusion detection system, it alerts. And the IPS, or intrusion prevention system, it actually tries to prevent the virus or attack. And the IPS also analyzes the traffic from the signatures in the database. So there's something called triage. And it's basically categorizing an event based on an outline from the organization. And then there's something called threat hunting. Threat hunting is searching for threats proactively. So threat hunting is basically going deeper in your network, searching for those threats that have gotten past your initial defenses. All right, so there's something called incident response process. Basically, what we're talking about is the first step. There's 6 steps, and then the first one is preparations. The second one is detention and analysis, or detection and analysis. The third is containment. The fourth is eradication and recovery. It looks like I numbered that wrong for some reason. Moving on. The fifth is post-incident. And you could say another one after this is lessons learned, if you wanted to. That would be a sixth. But moving on. All right, so playbooks. Playbooks is basically a checklist of actions to respond to a type of incident. So it's documenting the procedure to use for an incident. And you might see playbooks like for certain things like ransomware, like different incidents that may occur, basically, right? So it's documenting what the company wants you to do, basically. And there's an automated version of this. We call that runbooks. All right. are forensic terms. So forensic terms, one is cryptanalyst or cryptanalyst, the art and science of cracking cryptographic schemes. Another is steganalysis, the process of identifying files that use steganography to hide data within them. And I showed y'all a demo of steganography. This imaging is a technique that creates a byte by byte copy of a hard disk or USB drive. Forensic clone. This is a copy of forensic image, and it's used as a working copy doing analysis. And that is all we're going to talk about on this particular slide. Just a quick video. So I will talk to y'all next time. Just a quick rundown of some cybersecurity topics and terms. All right. So until next time, peace.